control structures. So there are three types of control structures: conditional control structures, looping control structures, jumping control structures. So in the previous session, we have seen how to use if then and how to use if then else. So I'm explaining one more example on if then else. After that, I covered these remaining conditional control structures. In today's session, completely we discuss about conditional control structures only. Okay. So see one example program on if then else. Okay. So let me open the table data here. Employee number, e-name, salary from EMP. Now our requirement is we want to increase salary of the employees. Okay, so increase salary of given employee number with given amount. Okay, just a minute, please wait. So our requirement is we want to increase salary of given employee number with given amount. On output screen, we want to print employee number. We want to ask employee number. Enter value for employee number. For example, we are giving employee number as 1002. Okay, then we want to ask enter value for amount. So how much amount you want to increase, that amount we have to give. For example, I am giving amount as 2000. So to the 1002 employee current salary is 7840. So to the current salary, we have to increase 2000 rupees. So after increasing 2000 rupees, this value should become 9840. This is our requirement. So this program already we did. But what we want to do is, after increasing the salary, if salary is more than 10,000, I want to cancel the action. Okay. So if after increasing the salary, now we are increasing 2000 rupees salary. Now what is its salary now? 9840. So we want to save it. If salary is less than or equals to 10,000, we want to save it. Okay, for example, we want to increase 3000 rupees salary. So 3000 rupees salary means that will become 10,840. So if salary after increment, if salary is more than 10,000, I want to cancel this action. This is our requirement. So this is a program to increase salary of given employee number with given amount. After increment, if salary is greater than 10,000, cancel it. Otherwise, save it. So this is the program to increase salary of given employee number with given amount. Okay. So after increment, if salary is more than 10,000, cancel it. Otherwise, save it. This is the question. Now, what we have to write? Declare, begin, end. So read one employee number. Read employee number. So to hold the employee number, I'm taking one variable v_employee number. So ampersand employee number. Employee number we are asking. Then read amount value. To read amount value, what we have to write? v_amount colon equals to ampersand amount. Okay. So now we want to increase the salary. So this is the given employee number. This is the given amount. We want to increase the salary now. So to update the salary, which command we have to use? Update. Update emp set salary equals to salary plus given amount. Amount value is in which variable? V underscore amount. Okay, where employee number equals to, employee number is V underscore employee number. So to the V underscore employee number, okay, we are increasing V underscore, to the current salary, we are adding V underscore amount value. Okay, so now when we perform this update operation, is it perform on Oracle instance or Oracle database? Oracle instance. Oracle instance means temporary. So if you want to save this action, which command we have to use? Commit. If we want to cancel this action, which command we have to use? Rollback. What is our requirement now? After increment, if salary is more than 10,000, cancel it. Otherwise, save it. So here we increased the salary. So after increment, what is the salary we have to capture? So here we are increasing the salary. After increasing the salary, what is the salary we have to capture? Okay. So to get the salary value, which command we have to use? Select. Select salary from EMP, where employee number equals to V underscore employee number. Okay. So what we are doing here, see here. Here, for example, we are giving employee number as 1002. We want to increase 2000 rupees salary. Okay. So V underscore employee number value is 1002. We are increasing 2000 rupees salary. For example, assume that his current salary is 7000. So 7000 plus 2000. Now salary will become 9000. So now this given employee's salary we are retrieving. So this salary is 9000 now. Now we have to check like this. I'm sorry. We didn't write into here. Into V underscore salary. We have to hold the in variable, right? Okay. So now V underscore salary has salary. Now check here. If after increment, for example, to the 1002 employee, current salary is 7000. We are increasing 2000 amount. So now his current salary is 9000 after increment. So now this value will be retrieved here. 1002 employee salary is 9000. That will be copied into the V underscore salary. Now check V underscore salary value greater than 10,000 or not. If this condition is true, okay, so we have to cancel the action. After increment, we are capturing the salary here. If salary is greater than 10,000, we have to cancel it. So to cancel it, what we have to write here? Rollback. Otherwise, we have to save it. To save it, what we have to write here? Commit. To close this if, what we are writing? End if. So this is the if control section we are writing. So here salary will be incremented. After increasing the salary, incremented salary we are holding in the V underscore salary. This incremented salary, if incremented salary is greater than 10,000, then okay, then we want to cancel the action. So use rollback. Otherwise, save it. To save the action, we are using commit. For our understanding purpose, okay, we are displaying one message here. Is it rolled back or committed? For user understanding purpose, we are writing this dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, so see, transaction cancelled. Transaction cancelled. Okay, so a transaction rolled back. Okay, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, transaction saved. A transaction committed. So any user understandable message we can display here. Okay, now to close this if, we are writing end if. That's it, program is over. So this is another example on if then else control structure. So here we are giving employee number, we are giving incremented amount. Here we are increasing the salary. After increasing the salary, what is the salary we are capturing here? If that salary is greater than 10,000, we are canceling the action. Otherwise, we are saving the action. Very, very simple. So directly I'm copying this program. So you already know how to save the program and how to compile. Okay, at the right path we have to give that, you know. Directly I'm copying this. So directly I'm copying, and at SQL plus I'm pasting this program. At SQL command prompt. Okay, I'm pasting this program. Okay, observe here what it is asking. Employee number. I am giving employee number as 1002. Okay, we didn't declare variables. Okay, sorry. Let me declare the variables. V underscore employee number. Which data type? EMP tables employee number type. What we have tried here? EMP dot employee number percentage type. Okay. Next, V underscore amount. V underscore amount variable we are declaring as float type. Okay. Variables are declared here. V underscore salary also there. So V underscore salary. V underscore salary, which type? EMP dot salary percentage type. So this is the program. I'm copying. See here. It is asking employee number. I am giving employee number as 1002. As of now, his salary is 7,840. After increment, his salary will be 9,840. Okay, so 1002. Okay, incremented amount I am giving as 2000. Okay, so we didn't set server output as on here. So set server output on. Set verify off. Okay. So one more time I'm running the program. Okay, see here. Now, just now we incremented salary to the 1002 employee. As of now, his salary is 9,840. Now, I'm giving 1,000 rupees. I want to increase 1,000 rupees amount. Now this will become 10,840. So after increment, his salary is more than 10,000. So this action will be cancelled. So it is cancelling the action. Okay. Sorry. V underscore salary we didn't declare. V underscore salary declared. Maybe previous one it didn't copy. Let me declare V underscore employee number type. Sorry, EMP dot employee number percentage type. Next, V underscore amount we are declaring as float. Next, V underscore salary. Okay, EMP dot salary percentage type. Okay. So employee number I'm giving as 1002. 1,000 rupees salary we are increasing. So what it is telling? Transaction cancelled. So observe here what is salary actually. Employee number, e-name, salary from EMP. So as of now, 1002 employee salary is 9,840. Here we are increasing 1,000 rupees salary. So after increment, what will be this employee salary? 10,840. So more than 10,000. So that's why it is cancelling the action. So one more time we are running. Okay, I am giving employee number as 1001. As of now, what is his salary? 8,960. I want to increase 1,000 rupees. After increasing 1,000 rupees salary, what will be his salary? 9,960. Okay. So 1,001. We are increasing 1,000 rupees salary. So what it is telling? Transaction saved. So why transaction saved here after increment? It is not exceeding more than 10,000. 9,960 only. It is saving. Now, for the same employee, again we are increasing 2,000 rupees salary. So now his salary is what? 9,960. So you are increasing 2,000 rupees means now it exceeds more than 10,000. This action will be cancelled now. This action will be cancelled. What it is telling? Observe here. Transaction cancelled. So see the execution process. What is happening? I'm explaining the execution process now. See. So this is the program. Observe. With this first line, for V underscore employee number, some memory will be allocated. With this second line, for V underscore amount, some memory will be allocated. With this third line, for V underscore salary, some memory will be allocated. And it is asking, because of this parameter, it is asking enter value for employee number. For example, I am giving employee number as 1,002. Okay, assume that in the EMP table, this 1,002 in the EMP table, 1,002 employee salary is, assume that his employee salary is 7,000. Next, here it is asking enter amount. I am giving amount value as 2,000. So now V underscore amount value is 2,000. Yeah. Here up it is updating the salary. What is current salary of given employee number? 1,002 employee current salary is what? 7,000. So we are giving increment amount as 2,000. So current salary value 7,000. V underscore amount value 2,000. After increment, what is the salary now? 9,000. So this 9,000 will be updated, not in the table, in the Oracle instance. Okay. So after that, it is retrieving the data here. So V underscore employee number value is what? 1,002. His salary after increment, what is the salary? 9,000. That 9,000 value will be copied into the V underscore salary. V underscore salary value is what? 9,000. So here it is checking the condition. Is 9,000 greater than 10,000 or not? It is checking. Is this condition true? False. False means where execution will go? Else part. So commit will be executed. So it displays message as transaction saved. So after increment, his salary is 9,000 now. Okay. For example, once again we are giving 1,002. Again we are giving 2,000 amount. Okay. Now after increasing his salary, 9,000 plus 2,000, how much? 11,000. So here 1,002 employee salary is 11,000 now. Now V underscore salary value will become 11,000. So is 11,000 greater than 10,000? Yes. Condition true. So condition true means which one will be executed here? Roll back. So here it displays transaction cancelled. Okay. So please confirm. Did you understand this program? Okay. So this is about if then else. If then else is over. Next one. If then else if. See. The next control structure is if then else if. See the syntax. We write like this. If. Now observe carefully here. You already know if control structure, if then control structure, if then else control structure. See. For if control structure, what we are writing here? We are writing like this. If condition, then statements we are writing, then end if. So this is the syntax of if control structure. And what is the syntax of if then else? This is the syntax of if then else control structure. So here if this condition is true, it executes the statements. If condition is false, it will not execute the statements. Here if condition is true, it executes if then statements. If condition is false, it executes else statements. Now you tell me, in case of if then, how many conditions we are writing? In if then, how many conditions we are writing? One condition. In if then else, how many conditions we are writing? One condition only. Okay. How many conditions we are writing? One condition only. This condition true. Okay. If then statements will be executed. If this condition false, else statements will be executed. So how many conditions we are writing? One condition only. In case of if then or in if then else, we write one condition only. But in case of if then, we are performing one action based on the condition. Okay. So if this condition is true, we are performing this action. So if condition is true, what that has to do? This one instruction only we are giving. Here we are giving two instructions. Okay. We are performing any one of two actions. Okay. But we are giving two instructions here. If condition is true, do this. If condition is false, do this. Like these two instructions we are giving. So if we want to write multiple conditions, we cannot use if then else. If we want to write multiple conditions, we have to use which control structure? If then else if. So it is used to write more than one condition. So more than one condition, if we want to write, we use if then else if. See the syntax here. We write if. Okay, else if. When we are writing else if, write ELSIF. Complete one word. Don't write E here and don't give space. Don't write E and space. So ELSIF we have to write. ELSIF condition 2. Then statements. Okay, else if condition 3. Then statements. Okay, so like this we can write any number of else ifs, no limit is there. And finally we write else. Else statements we write. To close this if, write end if. So this is the syntax we have to follow for using if then else if. This is the syntax. Okay. See the execution process, what is happening. Listen carefully. First it checks first condition. You already know the if behavior. If condition is true, it executes the statements. So if first condition is true, it executes the statements. After that, it comes out of the if then else if. Is it checking second condition here? If first condition is true, okay, after that it is executing statements. After that, is it checking second condition or third condition or any remaining conditions? No. Because first condition is true. You are clearly telling else if means when first condition falls, then only check this. Like this you are telling. Okay. So when first condition falls, then only it checks the second condition. When second condition falls, then only it checks the third condition. Like that. So when first condition is true, it executes the statements and comes out of the if then else if. If first condition falls, then only that checks the second condition. If second condition is true, it executes these statements and comes out of the if then else if. It will not check remaining conditions if second condition is true. If second condition also falls, it checks the third condition. If third condition true, executes these statements. If third one false, it checks another condition. If that one true, then it executes those statements. If that one false, it checks another condition. Like this, if all are false, it executes else statements. And writing this else is optional, not compulsory. We can stop with else if also. We can stop with else if also. So first it checks condition 1. If condition 1 is true, executes the statements and comes out of the if then else if. It will not check remaining conditions if first condition is true. When first condition is false, then only that checks the second condition. If second condition is true, that executes these statements, comes out of the if then else if. If second condition is false, then only it checks the third condition. If third one true, executes these statements, comes out of the if then else if. A third one false, checks another condition. Like this, if all are false, it executes else statements, and writing this else is optional, means not compulsory. We can stop with else if block also, no problem. Okay. So based on our requirement, we write else. Writing else is optional to indicate optional. I'm writing this. Square braces I'm writing to indicate the optional. So see one example. This is the program to check whether the given number is positive or negative or 0. This is our requirement. We want to check whether the given number is positive or negative or 0. Okay. So for example, here this is 0. Right side I'm writing positive numbers like 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Left side I'm writing negative numbers -1, -2, -3, okay, up to minus infinity. Now you tell me all these right side numbers are greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means is it positive or negative? Positive. Okay. So all these left side numbers, these are greater than 0 or less than 0? Less than 0. So less than 0 means they are positive or negative? These are negative. That's it. Assume number as n. If n greater than 0, positive. If n less than 0, negative. If n is equals to 0, 0. That's it. So we need to write more than one condition here. Multiple conditions we need to write. If we want to check multiple conditions, we have to use if then else if. So this program only we are writing. What we have to write? Please, all of you involved in the class, help me. Declare, begin, end. Now, I want to declare n variable as integer. What we have to write? N variable I want to declare as integer. N int. N int. N value I want to read from keyboard. N colon equals to ampersand n. N colon equals to ampersand n. Okay. Next. Now we have n value. What we want to do, n value is greater than 0 or not, we want to check. What we have to write? If n greater than 0, then if this condition is true, positive or negative? Positive. So what we have to write? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line positive. So positive we are printing. Okay. So this condition false means that may be negative or 0. Again, two cases are there. So we need to check one more condition here. Okay. So to check one more condition, what we are writing? Else if. Else if n less than 0. Then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line negative. This is also false means what? That is not negative. So if the number is not positive, not negative, definitely that will be 0. So you have no need to write the condition. Okay. If you want to write condition, you can write like this. If you want to write the condition, you can write like this. Okay. But no need to write directly. I'm writing else here. Else 0. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, given number is 0. To close this if, we are writing end if. So I'm copying this program, observe. So this is the program. I'm copying. See. See here. So this is the program. I copied. Enter value for n. N value I'm giving as 50. So what it is printing, observe here, positive. 50 is a positive number. One more time I'm running. I'm giving minus 25. Minus 25 is the negative number. Observe here, negative it is printing. One more time we are running. N value I'm giving as 0. What it is printing? 0 it is printing. Our program is working perfectly. So what is happening here? See, with this declaration, for n some memory allocated. Here because of parameter, it is asking parameter value. I am entering n value as 50. So now n value is 50 here. It checks the condition. Is 50 greater than 0? Yes. Condition true. So what it prints? Positive. After printing positive, what happens? It comes out of the if then else. If. First condition true. Is it check second or remaining conditions? No. Okay. For example, I am giving this n value as minus 50. N value I am giving as minus 50 now. Now what happens? Observe. N value is minus 50. Is minus 50 greater than 0? False. False means it checks the second condition. Is minus 50 less than 0? Yes, minus 50 is less than 0. Condition true. Okay, condition true means it prints what? Negative. Okay, after printing negative, what happens? Comes out of the if then else if. For example, I am giving n value as 0 here. 0 greater than 0, false. 0 less than 0, false. It goes to else. If all are false, it executes else statements. So what it is printing? 0. This is the execution process. Now see, one database program on if then else if. This is a program to increase salary of given employee number as following. So we want to increase salary of given employee number as following. Okay, listen carefully. If job value is, if job is manager, we want to increase 20% salary. Okay, if job is clerk, we want to increase 10% salary. Okay, for others, other than managers or clerks, other than managers or clerks, we want to increase 15% salary. This is our requirement. For if the employee, we are giving employee number here. If this employee is manager, how much percentage we have to increase? 20%. If this given employee number job designation is clerk, increase 10%. So if given employee number job designation is other than manager clerk, means analyst, okay, or salesman or president, if any other job designations are there, increase 15%. This is our requirement. So what we have to do now? First read employee number. First read employee number. After that, this given employee number's job we have to know. Because based on the job we want to increase. So here we are giving employee number. That given employee number's job we have to find. If job value is manager, increase 10%. Okay. Otherwise, if job value is clerk, increase 10%. If job value is other than manager clerk, increase 15%. So I'm writing the program now. What we have to write? Declare, begin, end. Okay, try to write this program. What we have to write? First, we have to read employee number. Okay, to hold employee number, we are taking one variable v underscore employee number. Okay, declare that as EMP tables employee number type. What we have to write? V underscore employee number, EMP dot employee number percentage type. So we are reading employee number. We are declaring employee number. Then here we are reading employee number. V underscore employee number colon equals to employee number. So now we have employee number. This given employee's job value we have to find. Job value is in the table. We have to retrieve. So which command we have to use? Set. What we want to find? Job. To hold the job value, we are taking one variable v underscore job. Declare it v underscore job. Which data type? EMP dot job percentage type. Okay. So from which table we are retrieving? EMP table. Which implies employee number equals to v underscore employee number. So given employee numbers, job value we are finding. That job value we are holding in the v underscore job. Now check the condition here. Job value is manager or not, we have to check. Okay. So what we have write here? If okay, job value we are holding in which variable? V underscore job. If v underscore job value is equals to manager, here string comparison case sensitive. Okay, we have to give in the capital letters. So v underscore job equals to manager. Then how much percentage we want to increase? 30%. Job is manager, 30%. Job is here. For example, we are writing update command here. Update command. So how much amount we want to increase, that update command we are writing. Else if one more condition, v underscore job value. Okay, if v underscore job value is equals to clerk, then update query we are writing. We want to increase 10%. So for increasing 10%, we are writing. Other than this, means definitely we have to write else here. Other than manager clerk we want. So definitely we have to write else here. Okay. So else update command we are writing. Here end if we are writing. If we write like this update query we are writing for how many times here? 3 times. Okay. So tomorrow you need to check 10 conditions like this. Like job equals to manager, job equals to clerk, job equals to analyst, job equals to salesman, like this. You need to write many conditions. For example, assume that 10 conditions we have to check. If we follow this way, how many times we have to write this update query? 10 times. Okay, here we are writing 3 times. Okay, if 10 conditions are there, 10 times we have to write the update command. So instead of writing like that, it becomes complex to us. Instead of writing like that, okay, take one variable to hold the percentage value. If job value is manager, 20% we want to increase. If job value clerk, 10% we want to increase. Other than manager clerk, 15% we want to increase. That value we are holding in one variable, v underscore PR. So if job value manager, then v underscore percentage value will be 20. 20 percentage value we are capturing. Okay, v underscore percentage value is 10 if job value is clerk. Other than manager clerk, v underscore percentage value is 15. Okay. Declare v underscore PR. V underscore PR integer type. Now update. So if we follow this way, now we are writing update query only once. Update EMP. Set salary equals to the current salary. Okay. Salary into how much percentage? V underscore PR. So salary plus salary into V underscore PR by 100. Okay. To whom we want to increase where? Employee number equals to V underscore employee number. So after updating to save the transaction, what we are writing? Commit. For user understanding purpose, display one message, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, salary increased. Different percentages. So observe here. Let me open the table data. Select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. Okay. So for our understanding purpose, we want to display like this. How much percentage increased I want to display? So V underscore PR. Okay. So this much percentage increased. Okay. So this much percentage increased. Now, this is a program. I'm copying. See here, this 1014 employee job title is what? Clerk. So clerk means 10% salary should be increased. Okay. So employee number is 1014 is clerk. So 1014 we are giving. So 1014 we are giving here. So how much percentage increased here? Observe, 10% increased. For example, here, this 1004 employees manager. For managers, we want to increase 20%. So I'm giving 1004 now. 1004 is manager. So how much percentage increased? 20%. Okay, one more time we are running. For example, this employee salesman, 1002 employee salesman, 1002 salesman. So for other than managers clerks, 15% will be increased. Observe here what it is telling, 15% increased. For example, analysts are there. Analysts, other than manager clerk, 1008 is analyst, 15% will be increased. 1008 I am giving. So 1008 I am giving. How much percentage increased? 15%. Okay. So this is the way of using if then else if process here. See. So here for V underscore employee number, some memory will be allocated. For V underscore job, some memory will be allocated. And for V underscore PR, some memory will be allocated. On output screen, it prints enter value for employee number. I am entering this employee number as 1001. For example, assume that he is clerk. Okay, so 1001 employee is job title. 1001 employee job title we are retrieving and we are holding in V underscore job. Now V underscore job value is clerk. Here it checks the condition. What is V underscore job value? Clerk. Is clerk equals to manager? No. False. False means it checks second condition. Okay. Is clerk equals to clerk? Yes. Condition true. So condition true means V underscore PR value will become 10. So directly it comes out of the if then else if. It executes this update command. Okay. To his current salary. For example, assume that his current salary is 5,000. Plus on 5,000, it calculates V underscore PR value 10. On 5,000, 10% it is calculating. So this value will be updated as the salary and data will be committed. And finally, it displays message as, so we are printing percentage. So 10% increased. So we are printing V underscore PR value here. We understood PR value, percentage increase. So like this, it gets executed. So this is the way of using if then else if. I'm giving one assignment to you. Please try this one. Same model I'm giving. Same model. So previously, based on job, we increased. Now we want to increase based on department number. Write a program to increase salary of given employee number. Salary of given employee number as following. Okay, so we give employee number. If department number is 10, then increase 10% on his salary. 10% on salary. Okay, if department number is 20, then increase 20% on employee salary. Okay, other than these departments, for other than these departments, increase 15% salary. This is our requirement. You try this one. Okay, so what we have to do here, read employee number. That employee's department number we have to find, retrieve. Okay, retrieve the department number, hold that value in one variable. If department number value 10, then hold percentage value as 10. Okay, if department number value is 20, then hold percentage value as 20. Else, okay, hold percentage value as 15. Now update the salary. Same model. One more. If experience is between 40 years, then increase 20%. Then increase 20% on salary. If experience is between 30 to 40, if experience is between 30 to 40, okay, so if experience is 40 or more, I'm doing 40 years or more. If experience is 40 years or more, then increase 20% on salary. If experience is between 30 to 39, then increase 10% salary. So if experience is between 20 to 29, increase 12% salary. Increase 12% on salary. Okay, if experience is between 0 to 19, if experience is between 0 to 19, increase 15% salary. This is our requirement. Okay, you try this one. Here multiple conditions are required. Okay, so use if then else if. How to find experience, you know. Find the experience. Okay, write if then else if conditions. Try these two. So this is about if then else if. Next one is nested if. So writing if in another if. Writing if in another if is called nested if. So inside of if control structure, we can write another if control structure. This we are calling as the nested if. Okay. See the syntax here. If condition 1, then okay, instead of if we are writing one more condition, if condition 2, then statements. To close the inside if we are writing end if, to close the outside if we are writing end if here. So this is the syntax we have to follow. So here instead of if then we are writing one more if then here. So this is nested if. So here two ifs are there. This outside if I'm calling as outer if. This outside if I'm calling as outer if. This inside if I'm calling as inner if. So first outer if condition will be tested. If outer if, if control structure behavior, if condition true, it enters into if. In the if, no statements are there, another condition is there. This condition will be tested. If this condition also true, it executes the inner if statements. Okay. So first it checks outer condition. If outer condition is true, it checks inner condition. If inner condition is also true, it executes the statements. For example, outer condition false, directly it comes out of the outer if. So here two ifs are there. I'm calling this as outer if. I'm calling this as inner if. If outer condition false, directly it comes out of the outer if. If outer condition is true, it checks inner condition. If inner condition is also true, it executes inner if statements. For example, outer if condition true, inner if condition false here. Outer if condition true, inner if condition false, means it comes out of the inner if. If you want to write some statements here, you can write some statements. If you want to write some statements here, you can write statements. Before inner if and after inner if you want to write statements, you can write statements. So like this, instead of if we are writing if, this we are calling as the nested if. Not only if then, you can write if then else also here. You can write if then else if also here. Okay, inside of if, you can write any number of if thens, any number of if then else's, any number of if then else ifs. All those are comes under nested if only. Inside of if is there, we can say that as the nested if. According to this syntax, here inside of if then, we are writing if then. Not only if then, if you want to write if then else, you can write if then else also. If you want to write if then else if, you can write if then else if. Okay, not only one if then else. Okay, you can write multiple if then else's, multiple if then else ifs also. So inside of if, we are writing if then or if then else's or if then else ifs. All those are comes under nested if. So to understand this, one example program I am explaining, listen. There is one table is there, student table is there. It is having fields like SID, SNAME, marks of subject 1, marks of subject 2 and marks of subject 3. Some data is there like 50, 70, 60, 1002, B, okay, 50, 30, 90. Okay, our requirement is we want to calculate total, average and result. This is our requirement. So we want to calculate total, average and result. Okay, so for this some conditions are there. If result is pass, then only calculate average. If result is pass, then only calculate average. Okay, if average marks are 60 or more, if average is 60 or more, okay, we want to display result as first division. If average is between 50 to 59, we want to display second division. If average is between 40 to 49, we want to display third division. So for fail, what is the condition? In any subject, okay, less than 40 means result is fail. Okay, if pass, calculate average. If average is 60 or greater than 60, result is first division. If average is between 50 to 59, second division. If average is between 40 to 49, third division. So this is the program. Okay, so here student table is having M1 marks, M2 marks, M3 marks. Okay, so now listen carefully. Declare, I'm writing the program now. Begin, end. So what is our requirement? Calculate total average and result of given student ID. So we give student ID. We have to calculate total average and result. That is our requirement. So to read the student ID, to hold the student ID, we are taking one variable, v underscore SID. Which data type? Student tables SID type. SID percentage type. Okay. So now this given students result we want to find. Listen carefully. For example, it is asking enter student ID. I am giving student ID as 1001. Okay. We require this M1 value, M2 value, M3 value. Instead of taking three different variables, I want to hold this entire row. To hold the entire row, which data type we have to use? Percentage row type. Which tables record we want to hold? Student tables. So student percentage row type, we declare one variable, R variable we declare it. So now R can hold SID, SName, M1, M2 and M3. It can hold how many rows? One row. So now if we give 1001, copy that 1001 record into the R. Okay. So we are copying like this. So now we have given student IDs record in the R. So now we have to capture this value and this value. To access this value, what we have to write? R.M1. To capture this value, what we have to write? R.M2. To capture this value, what we have to write? R.M3. So to find the result now, what we have to write? Okay, pass or not, we want to check. What is the condition for pass? In every subject, student must get 40 or greater than 40. If R.M1 greater than or equals to 40, okay, R.M2 greater than or equals to 40, R.M3 greater than or equals to 40. In every subject, he must get 40 or greater than 40. So which operator we have to use? AND operator or OR operator? AND operator. All conditions should be satisfied. In every subject, he must get 40 or greater than 40. In the M1, he must get 40 or greater than 40. And in the M2 also, and in the M3 also. In all subjects, he has to get. So all conditions should be satisfied. So what we have to use here? And. So if R dot M1 greater than or equals to 40 and R dot M2 greater than or equals to 40 and R dot M3 greater than or equals to 40, the result is pass. Else, result is fail. Here print fail here. If pass, calculate average code we have to write. Then find the result. That code we are writing now. So observe here. So here we are declaring student ID variable. That student ID we want to read. So v underscore SID colon equals to ampersand SID. So it will ask student ID. Okay, that students record we want to retrieve. All columns data we want. So what we are writing? Select star into R. R is which type variable now? Row type. Which tables row we want to hold? Student. So declare student percentage row type. So select star into R from which table? EMP. Sorry. Student. Okay. Where SID equals to V underscore SID. So we are giving the student ID here. That student ID we are capturing in V underscore SID. That student's record we are retrieving. Entire record we are holding in the R. Now R has SID, SName, M1, M2, M3. If we give employee number as, student ID as 1001, this 1001 data will be holded in the R. This is the R data. I want to capture this M1 value. So we write R dot M1. To capture M2 value, R dot M2. To capture M3 value, R dot M3. So condition we are writing now. We are writing condition for pass. Now what we have to write? If R dot M1 greater than or equals to 40 and R dot M2 greater than or equals to 40 and R dot M3 greater than or equals to 40. Then, okay, if this condition true means what? Result is pass. Else, this condition false means what? Result is fail. If fail, I want to print fail. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line fail. If pass, we want to calculate total and average. So to calculate the total, to hold the total value, I'm taking one variable v underscore total colon equals to. Okay. So if pass, then only we want to calculate total. So here we are calculating total now. So v underscore total colon equals to, how we calculate total? R dot M1 plus R dot M2 plus R dot M3. Now we have total value. Calculate average. V underscore average. V underscore colon equals to V underscore total by 3. Okay. Declare these variables. So V underscore total. I'm declaring as integer. Okay. V underscore average. I'm declaring as float. Okay. So now here we are calculating total and we are calculating average. Now we need to find the result. We are calculating total here. We are calculating average. Now we want to find the result. To find the result, what are the conditions here? If average is 60 or more, which division? First division. What we have to write? If average value we are holding in which variable? V underscore avrg. This value is greater than or equals to 60. Then, okay, we want to display first division. So write dbms underscore output dot put underscore line first division. Else if this condition false. This condition false means what? Is result is pass. Outer condition true here. Outer condition true. That's why it is checking this one. Okay. So, but inner condition is false. Means result is pass, but his average is not 60, not greater than 60. We need to check one more condition. So average is between 50 to 59 or not, we want to check. So right here, else if v underscore average greater than or equals to 50. Then, okay, internally it checks up to 59 only. Internally it checks up to 59 only. Why? Because 60 already checked here. When not 60, then only that checks this condition. Means less than 60 only. Definitely less than 60. That's why it is coming to here. So here you are giving lower bound value. So definitely upper bound value takes as 59 only because 60 already checked here. So implicitly that takes up to 59 only. So if average is between 50 to 59, then we want to print second division. So write dbms underscore output dot put underscore line second division. Second division. Okay. Else. So student result is pass, but he didn't pass in first division. He didn't pass in second division means definitely he passed in third division. So what we are write here, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line third division. Third division we are writing. To close this inner if, we are writing end if. Observe here inside of if control structure, we are writing one more if control structure. So you can say this as the nested if. For this outer if, this is a corresponding else block. If outer condition true here, result is pass. If outer condition false here, result is fail. This outer condition false means result is fail. Outer condition true means result is pass. If pass, we are calculating total, then average. Then if average is 60 or greater than 60, that prints first division. If average is between 50 to 59, second division. Okay. If student result is pass, not pass in first division, not pass in second division means result is third division. If you want to write the condition here, you can write condition like this, else if v underscore average greater than or equals to 40, then like this you can write, but not required. I am writing else here. So this is the program to find total, average and result of the student. Okay, so maybe table is ready or not, I'm checking. Select star from student. Okay, so this is the table we created. Oh, sorry. Let me create one table here. Drop table student. I'm creating one new table. Create table student. First field SID, number type, then M1 number type. Okay, sorry. S name I'm taking. S name varchar 2 type. Then M1 number type. Then M2 number type. Then M3 number type. Okay, bracket close, semicolon. So table is created. I want to insert two records here. So insert into student values. I'm giving values as 1001 A. Okay, values I'm giving as 60, 80, and 50. Okay, one record is inserted. One more record we are inserting, 1002 B. Okay, so these marks I'm giving as 30 or 90, 50 I'm giving. One more record is inserted. To save this data, commit, open and see the table data, select star from student. Okay, so here data table is ready now. 1001 student marks, 1002 student marks. Okay, now our requirement is We want to find total, average, and result of the student. So this is the program just now we have written. This program I'm copying. Okay, observe here. See what it is asking. Student ID. Student ID I'm giving as 1001. Okay, maybe somewhere. In which line it is telling error at 20. Sorry, end if missed for the outer if. For the outer if end if is missed. For the outer if end if is missed here. Let me copy. Observe. See here, 1001 student result, what it is giving? First division it is giving. If you want to print average marks here, if you want to print total marks and average marks, what we are write here? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, we want to print total marks. So total equals to concatenation operator v underscore total. We want to print average marks. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Average equals to v underscore avrj. So this is a program. Okay, observe here. Student ID I'm giving as 1001. Okay, so here you can use trunc function or round function. Okay, any function you can use. Many decimal place it is giving. Observe. Okay, so trunc of v underscore average comma 2. So I'm using trunc function. So many decimal place it is giving. So that's why we are using trunc function. Okay, maximum 2 decimal places we want to display. So trunc function I'm calling. Okay, observe now. Student ID I'm giving as 1001. Observe what is the total marks? 190. So he got in all subjects he got more than 40. 1001 student. In all subjects he got more than 40. Observe. 60, 80, 50. In all subjects he got more than 40. So his result is pass. If result is pass, it is calculating total and average. So here it is printing total marks and average marks. It is finding the result. Because of average is greater than 60, what it is displaying? First division. One more student is there, 1002. So for 1002 record, what it is displaying? Fail. In one subject, he got 30 marks. So result is fail here. If fail, it is printing fail. If pass, it is calculating total, average, and result. Okay. So see the execution process, what is happening here? See. Here, v underscore sid variable will be created and r variable will be created. Next, v underscore total variable will be created. Next, v underscore average variable will be created. Here it is asking student ID. For example, I am giving student ID as 1001. That 1001 students data will be retrieved. That will be copied into the R. So now what is the R value? R value is 1001 record. Now R dot M1 value is what? R dot M1 value is 50. Is 50 greater than 40? Yes. Okay, next R dot M2 value is what? 70. Is 70 greater than 40? Yes. R dot M3 value 60. Is 60 greater than 40? Yes. All are true, means result is pass. It calculates total now. Here it calculates total. So it calculates 50 plus 70 plus 60 value. That value will be stored in the V underscore TOT. Next here it calculates that total marks V underscore total by 3. That average it calculates. Okay. Now 50 plus, here it calculates 50 plus 70 plus 60 value. 180. Okay, here it calculates 180 by 3. 180 by 3 value is 60. So it prints total marks value as 180. Average marks value as 60. So here, is 60 greater than or equal to 60? Is 60 greater than 60? No. But is 60 equals to 60? Yes. So condition true here. So what it displays? First division. For example, I am giving 1002 as the student ID. If we give 1002 as the student ID, 1002 record will be copied into the R. Okay. Now what is R dot M1 value? 50. Is 50 greater than 40? Yes. True. Okay. Next R dot M2 value 30. Is 30 greater than 40? False. So in case of and, all should be true. If one condition false means it will not check remaining conditions. Directly it comes to the else part. To the outer if else is there. So it goes to the else part now. It goes to the else part here. So this is the else part of outer if. What it prints? Fail. So like this we can use nested if. So now you know all conditional control structures except case. This case already we used in the SQL. Same here also. Their simple case, searched case we discussed in the case expressions topic. In the case expressions topic we discussed it in SQL. Here also same simple case, searched case. Okay, so this part we discuss in the next session. This remaining control structures also I cover in the next session. So tomorrow maximum I try to finish this control structures topic. Okay, so as of now, how many control structures I covered? 4. What are those? If then else, if then else if, nested if. So is it clear about conditional control structures? Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow.